मु शक्ति प्रसाद मो चैनल शक्ति एजुकेशन को समस्त स्वागत। ए वीडियो में डिस्कसन करबा सेट 15 इंग्लिश रो ऑलरेडी से बहुत सारा सेट डिस्कसन कर दी जो मैंने देखने जाएंगे प्लेलिस्ट को चेक कर परियो। तो प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिए हम सेट 15 नो व्हेन बिग ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेन बिगन टू फेल लेंको वेंट आउट टू डैश वेंट आउट टू कौन हबो ना हैव द प्लेजर ऑफ फीलिंग द रेन ऑन हिज बॉडी कि परवर्ष में कहले सब तार फसल नष्ट हेतला। Lenko said that the post office employees were a branch of crooks. Answer of option B हिजबो crooks. Then देखिए which musical instrument is not used during the performance of bihu dance in Assam. कोटा यूज हुए नहीं bihu dance रे cymbals, gongs, ढोल, पेपा. इट आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन B C gongs आओ. The Manipur New Year festival is dash. फेस्टिवल डाला कौन ना चेरोइबा चेरावा. Gandhi had the false notion that dash had nothing to do with education. से कौन भावुले ना gymnastics option C है जो. Gandhi could not attend the gymnastic class since he had no scope, watch, time, money. Since he had no कौन इट आंसर होगा no watch. इट आंसर होगा option here no watch. Then देखिए हमें 7 नंबर global warming is caused due to dash of radiation that reaches the earth from the sun, escaping, trapping, increasing, scattering. It answer होगा कौन option B trapping radiation that reaches the earth from the sun. It is not easy to bring about the new year developments needed to control air pollution because vast sums of money will have to be spent on it. Then देखिए 9 नंबर हमें Success in life depends on dash good health, smoking, money making, suffering. It answer our 9 number option A good health. Then देखिए to a large extent you will be known by dash to company you keep, the manners you follow, the duty you perform, the way you behave. It answer our 10 number option A the company you keep. Then देखिए how is the summer sun described in the poem all things bright and beautiful, painful, tiring, unbearable, pleasant. It answer of option D pleasant. He gives us to see them. Here them refers to dash. He gives us I to see them. Here them refers to it them कहा को refer करूची option D है all the bright and beautiful things created by God. 13 नंबर देखिए the touching tone and melody of the rapper song hold the poet mesmerized and dash. Mesmerized आउ कौन option B हिजबो spellbound. Then देखिए whose song is sweeter according to poet the nature, the cuckoo, the nightingale, the solitary reaper. It answer of option D the solitary reaper. The poem Village Song is written by dash Sarojini Naidu, William Wordsworth, C.F. Alexander, Lord Alfred Tennyson. It answer of option A Sarojini Naidu. Then देखिए what according to the honey child have cadences of sorrow. Both the answer of option D both the bridal songs and the cradle songs. 17 नंबर हम देखिए In the poem The Flower School, the poet imagines that the flowers must have been dashed just like him. It answer है कौन in school just like him. When the rain comes, the leaves dash the wild wind, rumble, tickle, rustle, dazzle. It answer of option B rustle in the wild wind. Sitting in a formalin jar with disdain, the underlined word means disdain ता अर्थ है कौन 19 answer of option C disrespect. The flower children are at their school dash all the year round, inside, beneath the tree, on the earth, underground. It answer over 20 the option D underground. The flower children are at their school underground all the year round. The author's grandfather could not meet the superintendent of the zoo during his second visit at the superintendent. It answer over 21 option C है went home early. The sportsman never saw a tiger. Who does the sportsman refer to? Sportsman टी कहाँ को refer करूँ the shikaree in the party. At times Timothy pretended to bite the writer's desk, leg, elbow, hands, ankle. कौन कामड़े उसे pretend करतला ankle. In the zoo, grandfather saw Timothy with a dash coat, tremendous, gorgeous, magnificent, splendid. It answer होगा कौन option B magnificent coat. Then देखिए the beggar said that he sang in a Russian choir and was sent away for drunkenness, lying, dishonesty, swindling. It answer होगा कौन option A drunkenness. 26 में देखिए Son, you also should come to my panchayat. Who is addressed as son in this statement? Algu Chaudhary, Juman Sheikh, Samju Sahu, Kariman. Son iti Algu Chaudhary. Then देखिए let me not say anything now. Aunt, it is your show. Have any one you like. Juman said this yes, politely, rudely, angrily. केमिति कहथिला एटा से sadly. It से angrily कहथिला. What was Samju Sahu's occupation? कौन समझू सर occupation कौन थिला ना a merchant. Then देखिए the grandfather replied to the king that dash was free in his time. कौन तांका समर free थिला 29 आंसर ऑप्शन बी हिजो land was free. In grandfather's time what was the only thing men called their own? कौन से मन निजर कहथिले केवल ना लेबर को. The word telecast is formed in the process of blending test. The test word को blending है कि telecast है ची television and broadcast. Option 31 B है जो. Dash is a person who makes other obey his orders. A master, a disciplinary, a headmaster, a head taskmaster, a disciplinarian. Which of the following is the noun from the from form of hesitate? Hesitate रो noun टा है कौन ना hesitation. ऑप्शन ए है जो ठीक है. 34 देखिए व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ प्रेसिपिटेशन. प्रेसिपिटेशन है कौन ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. फॉल ऑफ रेन, फॉल ऑफ हेल, फॉल ऑफ स्नो. 35 में देखिए व्हिच इज द सिंगल वर्ड फॉर फोरटेल द फ्यूचर. फोरटेल द फ्यूचर है कौन एज्यूम, प्रेडिक्ट. आंसर हो कौन 35 ऑप्शन बी जो प्रेडिक्ट करबा. These sports persons dash performance has been excellent are going to meet the president. Who, whose, whom, which. It answer over 36 option C whose. Then देखिए 37 हमें everybody dislike people who are dash dishonest, inhonest, unhonest, dehonest. It answer over कौन 37 option A dishonest. When Mahatma Gandhi dash India had achieved her freedom. Dies, had died, died, has died. It आंसर हम कौन ऑप्शन बी डायड. व्हेन महात्मा गांधी डायड इंडिया हैज अचीव्ड हर फ्रीडम. देन देखिए समटाइम्स डैश गैसेस एंटर द एटमॉस्फेयर. इरिटेशन, इरिटेबल, इरिटेटिंग, इरिटेटेड. इट आंसर हम कौन ऑप्शन बी है जो इरिटेटिंग गैस. देन देखिए इफ दे हैड स्टार्टेड अर्ली दे डैश देयर ट्रेन. वुड नॉट मिस, विल नॉट मिस, वुड नॉट हैव मिस्ड, डिड नॉट मिस. इट आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन सी वुड नॉट हैव मिस्ड. 41 में देखिए he dashed for 4 hours when we met him. Worked, had worked, was working, had been working. It answer of 41 option D had been working. Which of the following is not a simple sentence? कोटा गोटे simple sentence no हाँ. Tell me the place of your birth. Do you usually go this way? Do or die? It has been raining since noon. It answer of कौन do or die और लग जाए. There is a lot of water in the pond. There is, where, are, have been. it answer कौन हम there is a lot of water. 44 हम देखिबा the teacher made us dash the sentence correctly. Write, to write, wrote, writing. it answer about right. We had some interesting experience in the journey, with the journey, during the journey, through the journey. it answer कौन हम during the journey. Then देखिबा the marriage procession dash the traffic for an hour. Held up, broke up, turned up, kept up. it answer होगा कौन ऑप्शन ए held up. Then देखिए in which of the following sentences the noun clause works as an apposition. कोडी उस देखो the question why you are always late has not yet been answered. 48 देखिए she writes better than she speaks. The subordinate clause in the sentence is an adverb clause of dash, condition, comparison, concession, reason. it answer होगा कौन 48 ऑप्शन सी comparison. Then देखिए who teaches these children. the passive form of the sentence तार passive form कले कौन है who are these children taught by. Then देखिए she said that she had taken it home with her. the direct speech एटा को हमें कले कौन हबो she said I took it home with me. ऑप्शन डी है जो. वीडियो भल लगी समस्त वीडियो को लाइक कर दबा, सांग मान सहित शेयर कर, जो मैंने प्रथम थर पे विजिट कर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके पाखर बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दबा. थैंक यू.